From plain HTML to polished interface. Chapter 2 adds style. Building on Chapter 1, we add external CSS, JavaScript, and theme switching. Same 3 pages as before. Home, About, Contact. Now with card layout and icons. The About page, with emoji icon. Contact page, same clean design. See the moon icon in the corner? Click it for dark mode. Colors invert instantly. The theme saves to local storage. Notice the success and danger buttons. Click success. A green toast notification slides in. Now try danger. Red for errors. Toasts auto dismiss after 3 seconds. One new line links the external style sheet. Shared CSS across all chapters. Pages array gains emoji icons, and separate title and content fields. Toast buttons call the show toast function from our shared JavaScript. JavaScript loaded at the bottom. Best practice for page performance. CSS custom properties define the color palette. Change one variable. Update everywhere. The prefers color scheme query. Detects system dark mode preference. Theme management. Checks local storage first. Then system preference. The show toast function creates temporary notification elements. That's Chapter 2. External assets, CSS variables, dark mode, and toast notifications. Next chapter introduces the plugin architecture.